Okay, I've had to move the class, so hopefully you can still hear this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish question 2 before we start question 3. The final part of question 2 is discount received on food stock purchase of 550. What that means is because this happened after it, we're accounting for this as an event that should have taken place at the time, but it didn't. And as a result of which, we're just simply getting the money back. It doesn't mean, therefore, that we affect the taxes or anything like that. We're going to do that later. I'm only doing this for one purpose only. Now, I've got to start with the bank account again. So, this is the bank account. There's a current asset. Increases. So, because he's given us a 550 euros back and they all go to the bank, he gives us 550 in the bank. Now, what we have here, of course, is this is basically a discount that we have received. So, within the series of accounts, you will see an account called discount received. Now, this is part of the cost of goods sold. So basically the cost of sales. So it either increases or decreases the cost of sales. But everything to this point has suggested that whatever we buy increases the purchases, whatever we sell decreases the stock, whatever it might be. And the one area that causes confusion is when people come to say that we're talking about the bank as opposed to perhaps talking about the asset. We are actually talking about the asset because this is a perfect example. This, of course, is an increase in the discount that we received when we bought the goods. So therefore, technically, it should be a plus to show an increase. But as it turns out, in the discount received, because it's part of the cost of goods sold, we know that it's going to be on the debit side or the left-hand side of the T account. That means that the discount we received for our cost of goods sold, it actually reduced our cost of goods sold, and by extension is over here. So even though in this case it's one of the very, very few cases you're going to find where there's an actual increase in something, such as an increase in the discount, but yet a decrease in the overall heading. And eventually that's the end of question 2.